What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm extremely excited because we're gonna be organizing. You guys know I come alive when I organize, and I love organizing. It's like my therapy, to be honest. We're gonna be organizing my new makeup vanity slash filming desk. So a lot of you guys, if you keep up with me on the vlogs and Instagram stories, then you know that I just recently purchased a makeup desk so that I can use while I'm filming. But what's great about it is it's also gonna store all of my everyday makeup. So this is the filming desk that I am talking about. I actually got it from Impressions Vanity. These knobs right here, I actually did change them. They don't come with the desk. Also, can we just give a huge shout out to this little cutie right here, because my skin has been looking absolutely incredible since I started using this. I've actually updated my skincare routine, and this has been like a huge staple. So I'm definitely gonna do a skincare routine super soon. So if you guys don't know what this is actually the Foreo UFO mask device. You can get 90-second mask treatments, which is incredible because your skin can look bomb, but in less time, because I do hate how long masks takes. But with this little guy, it just gets the job done. It also uses heating and cooling and pulsations to really get the job done. So I absolutely love that. It's bomb.com, and I love the little stand that it comes with so that I can display it on my makeup table. It's great because while I'm getting ready and prepping to do my makeup, I can get a mask done in 90 seconds with this device. So I love that. That's why I kind of keep it here. Sometimes I keep it here, sometimes I keep it in the bathroom, but either way, it just matches my decor perfectly too, because it's such a beautiful design. But yeah, we're gonna be organizing these drawers today, you guys, and I love how this vanity table has 3 drawers, because I'm gonna be able to organize all of my like favorite everyday makeup that I kind of love the most and have it easily accessible in here. Most of you guys know my, if you've seen my video organizing my entire makeup collection, I have all of my makeup literally stored in here. These up here are temporary. I actually have a walk-in closet back here. All of these are new products and new PR makeup that I need to try. So in the future, that will be going in the makeup closet, and it will be more sleek and clean. These drawers I did get custom made. So in this drawer right here, I actually keep all of my everyday makeup. So while I'm getting ready, I find it's more organized rather than me like funneling through all of the drawers to find lips and then eyes. I just have like all of my favorite products here, and this is the drawer that I tend to use the most. So a few of these products are new, and it's because they look so good that this is where I keep new products. But these, I just got in PR recently, as well as the Amrezy palette, this NARS palette. I just got it in PR recently, and like I just can't wait to try them, that I had to put them in this drawer just to really remind me like, hey, test these out. I actually tried both of these today and they are bomb. But yeah, so that's why these new products are in here. But usually I don't have new products. All of my like favorite everyday makeup is in here. So I'm pretty much going to be transferring this into here and organizing it. I do love how this vanity table actually has a glass top, so you can see inside the drawers. It is a little bit off for me to like have a vanity table that shows what's in the drawers, but because everything will be perfectly organized, I feel like it's gonna look really good. And then in the future, if I decide, you know, I don't want to see inside the drawers anymore, I could always get back painted white glass, which looks really pretty because it's like a frosted white glass. And this is from Wayfair. These I get questions about a lot. Like I get lots of questions about the organizers for my brushes and my setting sprays. These are actually from Amazon. This is also from Amazon. Also, can we just say hello to the newest addition to the studio? I just hung up this mirror yesterday with my dad, and also I put this console table that I got from Wayfair. Both things are from Wayfair. Actually, this was from All Modern because I found it cheaper on All Modern. But yeah, I absolutely love it. So sleek and clean. I'm going to HomeSense tomorrow to look for some decor. Okay, check out organizer heaven back here. Like, hello. Okay, so here are all the organizers that I bought. I did buy quite a few because the thing with these drawers that kind of made them a little bit more challenging is that they are very slim drawers. And I think the ones that I absolutely love that I'm gonna use mainly are these ones, and I'm glad that I actually bought 4. I bought these from Container Store, and then this one is absolutely perfect. This is actually an acrylic serving tray or like decor piece, but I was like, I could totally use that as an organizer because in this drawer over here, I'm planning on putting all of my eye palettes, actually just all palettes in general. So since I'm gonna be storing palettes in here, I wanted to have more of a big organizer and not one that kind of was divided. This one's from Amazon. And then these are really great. They're actually very similar to the drawers that I have up here. This is from Muji. These are from Amazon. and this is from Amazon. So what's great about these is the drawers, you can take them out and it actually does. I don't know if this would fit here. Oh, would you look at that? And these I got from Milani. Oh, this actually fits as well, pretty cool. So these Milani actually sent me. So to be very honest with you guys, I don't know where you can buy this. I think what I am going to do is do face products, eyes and lips, and then palettes. Okay, so here's what we're working with. These are all of the products that's going to be going in the vanity desk. Okay, so one thing I am going to be doing that I forgot to mention is I'm gonna put these little, like, I don't know if you guys can really see it, these little like rubber feet on the bottom of the organizers, because one thing I hate is when you open the drawers and like all the organizers move around. I'm gonna go ahead and do this so that there's resistance and it does not move. Yeah, so there's definitely resistance now, like it does not slide, so that's perfect. See, as you're opening the drawer, the organizer now stays in place. First thing I got here are my Huda Beauty powders, which I absolutely love. Pound cake and sugar cookie. So I think for these, what's good about these, they actually fit right there. Maybe I'll do that. Okay, I'm actually really happy with this drawer so far. So here is the face drawer. We have primers, foundations, concealers, and there's still so much more room. Even if I configure things and move things around, like I could put this here, like there's still so much room. And then we have kind of highlight or just cheek products. So bronzer and highlights and one blush over here, favorite highlighting cream. And I love how I can stack two of my favorite colors from the Huda Beauty Tan Tours, and they actually just fit when you close the drawer. So that was pretty cool how that worked out. And then I have my KKW Beauty contour stick that fits perfectly there, my favorite highlight stick, and then my two Huda Beauty loose powders. Pretty much up here is all powders. So moving on, next we are going to do the lips and eyes section. So this section will keep all of my favorite lip products, as well as like brow, eyeliners, mascara, that type of stuff. Okay, so I'm actually glad I was playing around with the organizers because I kind of like how I did this. So I put the same long one from the first drawer in here. This one is from Container Store again. I actually got these also from Solutions actually, which is pretty cool because they have like sections. I think inside the little squares, it would be perfect to put lipsticks because that'll actually just fit perfectly. Yeah, that fits perfect. Okay, so I am done organizing the second drawer. How good does that look, you guys? I'm actually really happy with it. So I decided to make the entire bottom all lips. So we got lipsticks over here because it fits perfect in the little square. Then we got glosses up here, and then lip liners. I can put a few new lip products that I want to try in here. And then back here, I decided to put all of my eye products and lashes. So these are not my everyday lashes, these ones, because these are actually all new ones that I really want to try. These are my go-to everyday lashes, the Kiss number 11. I've been using them for the past like year and a half. But lately I kind of like want to just try a few other new ones since I haven't tested new lashes in a long time. I have my favorite Lashes for Days by Bold Makeup underneath there. And then mascaras and eyeliners, brow products, and then like accessories. So like lash glue, scissors, sharpener, and then my little brow powder. So yeah, I feel like that looks so good. These are actually all of my old school Makeup Geek shadows that I just still love. They actually are, what's it called? Rebranding, and they're re-releasing all of these. So I'm really excited for that, to get that in PR. But for now, I do still have my little old school Makeup Geek shadows, so I'm excited to keep that here because these are just classic, like go-to. Favorite highlighter, like literally, the day I run out of this, I will literally cry. I think it's actually time I give it a good wipe because it is so messy. I think I'll actually separate cheek and then eye palettes like this. So I actually love this. Benefit put my face on it, which I just thought was funny, but this is actually a really great palette. I love this blush and love these bronzers, so yeah. You know what? This little square is perfect for little eyeshadow palettes like this from NARS. Look how gorgeous this is. So pretty. And I love this one too. So I will keep little ones over here. So I think I'm gonna need to cut down on the eyeshadow palettes because we're kind of running out of space, and I really love this ColourPop new palette that I really want to try. So yeah, I'm gonna have to cut down because I feel like I don't really need all this. I think the one thing I am probably gonna get rid of is maybe this BH one, although it is really nice because it is such a big palette. I don't really reach for it too often. I kind of reach for like these like smaller kind of ones, so I think I'm going to get rid of that, and then that way I can keep these in here, and then that fits really nicely. Okay, so we're finally done organizing. How amazing does that look? Like, I feel like everything looks so pretty. And for now, honestly, I kind of think it's so pretty and glam and just a really nice touch that you can see the makeup through the glass. Okay, so fun question. Let me know, out of all of the drawers, which one would you say is your absolute favorite? Which one do you think looks the best? Which one speaks to you? Let me know what your fave is. I don't know, like for me, I kind of want to say that this drawer is my favorite only because of this section. Like, I feel like this looks so bomb. Honestly, I love how everything is organized. I can't even choose. I think they all look really good. But let me know, what's your fave? Drawer 1, 2, or 3? So that is it. My makeup filming table is finally done being organized, and I honestly am so happy with it. I love it. I feel like it looks so pretty. I'm excited to share this video and share it with you guys so you can see how I organized it, because I know a lot of you guys have this vanity table as well, and the drawers are quite slim. So a lot of you have messaged me saying you had trouble like finding organizers for it. So I'm excited. I will link all the organizers that I used and found, even the ones I didn't use, in case you guys want them, in the description box down below. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and that's pretty much it. I feel like the next makeup organizing video is probably gonna be in the future when I do some drawers in my makeup closet. We have a makeup closet right there in the studio, so once I do that, then we'll do another makeup organizing video, because I'm gonna make that like my new makeup closet and like extras and all that stuff, and kind of like storage makeup. So whatever. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.